What if I told you that most small business owners are completely overpaying for accounting? Not because their accountant is bad, but because they're paying a human to do work that AI can now handle automatically. I spent 3 months testing every AI accounting tool available, and I found a setup that eliminated over $2,000 a month in accounting fees while actually giving me better visibility into my finances than I ever had before. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools I use, how I set them up, and how much money I saved. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone who just started their first company, this video is going to change how you think about managing your money. Let me tell you what most small business owners are paying for accounting. A bookkeeper costs between $800 and $1,500 a month. A CPA for quarterly reviews adds another $500 to $1,000. Tax preparation at the end of the year is another $1,000 to $3,000. Add it all up and you're looking at $2,000 to $5,000 a month just to know where your money is going. And here's the frustrating part. Most of that work is completely repetitive. Categorizing transactions, reconciling bank statements, generating profit and loss reports, tracking invoices, following up on late payments. None of that requires a human brain. It requires accuracy and consistency, which is exactly what AI is best at. The real value of a human accountant is in strategic advice, tax optimization, and complex financial decisions. But most small businesses are paying human rates for robotic work. That's the problem I set out to solve. The first tool in my setup is QuickBooks with its AI features, and this one handles about 80% of what my bookkeeper used to do. Here's what it does automatically. Every day, QuickBooks connects to your bank accounts and credit cards and downloads all your transactions. The AI then categorizes every transaction automatically based on the vendor, amount, and your historical patterns. The first month, you might need to correct maybe 10 or 15 categorizations. By month 2, it's almost perfect. It also matches transactions to invoices automatically, reconciles your accounts at the end of each month, and generates profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports whenever you need them. The feature I use most is the cash flow forecast. QuickBooks AI analyzes your income patterns and upcoming expenses and tells you exactly what your cash position will look like 30, 60, and 90 days from now. That kind of visibility used to require hours of manual work from my bookkeeper every month. Now it updates automatically every single day. QuickBooks costs $30 a month for the basic plan. My bookkeeper costs $1,200. The second tool is Dext, formerly known as Receipt Bank, and this one eliminated all the manual data entry around expenses and receipts. Before Dext, I had a shoebox, literally a physical shoebox, of receipts that I handed to my bookkeeper every month. She would spend hours manually entering each one into QuickBooks. With Dext, I take a photo of every receipt the moment I get it using the mobile app. Dext's AI reads the receipt, extracts the vendor name, date, amount, and tax information, and automatically creates the transaction in QuickBooks. The whole process takes me about 10 seconds per receipt. No more shoeboxes, no more manual data entry, no more receipts getting lost. Dext also handles supplier invoices automatically. You forward your PDF invoices to a dedicated email address, and Dext extracts all the data and pushes it to QuickBooks without any manual work. For a business that processes 50 to 100 receipts and invoices a month, this alone saves 3 to 4 hours of bookkeeper time every single month. Dext costs $25 a month. The third tool is Puzzle, and this one is specifically designed to replace your monthly bookkeeper review. Puzzle connects to QuickBooks and runs an AI analysis of your books every month. It looks for anomalies, uncategorized transactions, duplicate entries, and potential errors. It then generates a report that tells you exactly what needs attention and why. Before I found Puzzle, I was paying my bookkeeper $500 a month just to do this review. She would look through the books, flag any issues, and send me a summary. Puzzle does the exact same thing automatically for $49 a month. But here's what makes Puzzle really powerful. It also provides financial insights. It compares your current month performance to previous months, identifies trends in your revenue and expenses, and highlights areas where you're spending more than usual. It's like having a CFO looking at your books every single month and giving you a clear picture of your financial health. So, what does the full setup look like and how much does it actually save? Before this system, I was paying $1,200 a month for a bookkeeper, $500 a month for monthly CPA reviews, and an average of $200 a month amortized for tax preparation. That's $1,900 a month in accounting costs. With the AI system, QuickBooks costs $30 a month. Dext costs $25 a month. Puzzle costs $49 a month. Total, $104 a month. That's a saving of $1,796 every single month. Over $21,000 a year. And I want to be clear. I still use a CPA once a year for tax filing and strategic advice. That's where human expertise genuinely matters. But the day-to-day bookkeeping, the monthly reviews, the expense tracking, the financial reporting, all of that is now handled automatically by AI for a fraction of the cost. If you're a small business owner and you're still paying a bookkeeper for routine work, I want you to do one thing after watching this video. Go to QuickBooks, sign up for the free 30-day trial, connect your bank account, and let it run for 2 weeks. You'll see immediately how much time and money you've been leaving on the table. Then add Dext for your receipts and Puzzle for your monthly review. The whole setup takes an afternoon, and the savings start immediately. I've linked all 3 tools in the description with free trials. No credit card required for any of them. If this video helped you, subscribe because next week I'm covering the complete AI hiring system that lets you screen job candidates 10 times faster, without reading a single resume yourself. See you then. Let me walk you through exactly how to set up this entire system in one afternoon, because I know the biggest barrier is just getting started. Here's the step-by-step. First, go to QuickBooks.com and start your free 30-day trial. Once you're inside, go to banking and connect your business bank account and credit cards. QuickBooks will import the last 90 days of transactions automatically. Spend about 20 minutes going through them and correcting any miscategorizations. After that, the AI learns your patterns and handles everything automatically going forward. Second, download the Dext app on your phone. Sign up at Dext.com and connect it to your QuickBooks account. From this point on, every time you get a receipt, at a restaurant, a gas station, a supplier, take a photo immediately with the Dext app. It takes 10 seconds and eliminates all receipt chaos permanently. Set up your supplier invoice email address in Dext and forward all PDF invoices there. Everything gets pushed to QuickBooks automatically. Third, go to puzzle.io and connect it to your QuickBooks account. Puzzle will run its first analysis within a few hours and send you a report of anything that needs attention. Schedule a monthly reminder to review the Puzzle report. It takes about 15 minutes and replaces what used to be a $500 monthly CPA review. The entire setup takes about 3 to 4 hours the first time. After that, your ongoing time investment is about 10 seconds per receipt and 15 minutes per month for the Puzzle review. Everything else, the categorization, reconciliation, reporting, and cash flow forecasting, happens automatically in the background while you focus on actually running your business. I've linked all 3 tools in the description with free trials. Start with QuickBooks today, and you'll see the difference within the first week.